Hello, my name is Justin Mallinckrodt and I'm a product manager for ArcGIS Enterprise. In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the new highlights in ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0. We're very excited to share the latest enhancements and features that will improve your GIS experience. So let's dive into these key highlights. First is the ability to store your ArcGIS server directories in a cloud storage service. Secondly, we have enhanced our default security posture. We're excited to introduce the new service interceptors. One beta feature we're going to highlight is the enhanced observability of ArcGIS Enterprise. There's some new features in the ArcGIS Enterprise portal. There are some updates to the user types. And finally, we're going to highlight the product lifecycle change for ArcGIS Enterprise on Windows and Linux. So let's get into these new features in a bit more detail. First up is the ability to store your ArcGIS server directories in a cloud storage service. So you can now store your ArcGIS server directories in a highly durable cloud storage service like Amazon S3 or Microsoft Azure Blob Storage. This eliminates the need for dedicated file servers, reducing infrastructure complexity and cost, while improving resiliency and scalability in high availability environments. Another enhancement is that we've strengthened our default security posture. The allowed proxy host property, now enabled by default, ensures that only explicitly approved external domains can be accessed via the ArcGIS Enterprise portal proxy capability. This change has the potential to mitigate risks such as server-side request forgery and denial of service attacks, providing a more secure environment for your GIS deployments. Moving on, ArcGIS Enterprise Service Interceptors are a new feature that enables the interception of requests and responses for all REST-based GIS services. They expand standard REST requests and responses through pre- and post-processing, allowing for custom logic to be injected into GIS services. Unlike existing Service Object Interceptors, SOIs, and Service Object Extensions, SOEs, Service interceptors are not limited to specific services like map or image services, and can be potentially applied to all service types, including geocoding services, hosted feature services, and more. They can intercept requests coming into any GIS service on ArcGIS Server, regardless of the client making the request. This capability provides a flexible and powerful tool for managing and customizing GIS services without altering their underlying definitions. Next, we're introducing more observability features into ArcGIS Server, a beta feature at 12.0. Prometheus, an open source monitoring solution, is now supported to collect ArcGIS Server metrics, giving administrators valuable insights into system health, service usage, and user engagement. With this feature, you'll be better equipped to monitor and optimize your GIS infrastructure. To wrap up the new features at 12.0, the ArcGIS Enterprise portal has been enhanced with new features that streamline user interaction and data visualization, providing a more tailored sign-in experience for organization members by configuring a custom sign-in page. ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0 will also offer beta features including the Item Details Assistant to more easily populate item information, and ArcGIS Data Pipelines, a no-code visual data engineering capability that will make it even easier to prepare and integrate data for mapping and analysis in ArcGIS Enterprise. There have also been some updates to user types to provide you with access to more products. Upon upgrading to ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0, the following 4 additional products are included with certain user types: ArcGIS Business Analyst Web App Standard, ArcGIS City Engine, ArcGIS Urban, and ArcGIS Navigator. For more information about user types, scan the QR code and head over to our webpage or reach out to your account manager. Lastly, a final note. There is an update to the product lifecycle for ArcGIS Enterprise on Windows and Linux. This update will provide greater clarity when choosing the right version to upgrade to by reducing the number of versions and general availability at any given time. The update also removes the mature phase of the product lifecycle, meaning that any supported version for ArcGIS Enterprise will always be eligible for security and functional patches. These changes will only apply for versions of ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0 and later. And for more information about this update, please refer to the blog located in the QR code in the corner of the screen. And that's a wrap for ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0 release highlights. We're excited for you to explore these new features and enhancements. And for more information and detailed documentation, please visit our website. Thank you, and until next time.